Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of home entertainment with a fresh look at Xiaomi's latest offering, the Redmi Projector Lite Green Edition. If you're in the market for an affordable, high-quality projector that doesn't compromise on features, this might just be the one for you. Let's explore what makes this green machine a game changer for your viewing experience. Let's start with the design. Xiaomi has kept things simple yet elegant with this new green edition. Retaining the same compact and sleek exterior as the original model, this version adds a pop of color to your space. The green finish not only looks fresh, but also adds a touch of personality to any room. But don't let its size fool you. This little projector packs a punch. When it comes to display quality, the Redmi Projector Lite doesn't disappoint. With a 1080p resolution, you're guaranteed crisp, clear images every time. It's perfect for movie nights, gaming, or even presentations. The projector reaches up to 150 CVIA lumens, providing a bright and vivid display that holds up even in moderately lit rooms. Whether you're projecting a 30-inch or a full 100-inch image, the 1.2:1 projection ratio ensures you get the best picture quality possible. And thanks to its super transparent lens and sealed optical engine, the image remains sharp and colorful no matter the size or setting. One of the standout features of this projector is its AI-powered technology. Equipped with a TOF sensor, the Redmi Projector Lite Green Edition automatically adjusts the focus and corrects the picture angle for you. Whether you're projecting from the side, at an upward angle, or even from a less-than-ideal spot, the AI algorithms ensure a perfectly aligned, sharp image every time. The auto-correction feature can handle angles of up to 15 degrees, making setup quick and hassle-free. Connectivity is another area where the Redmi Projector Lite excels. With a range of ports, including a 3.5mm headphone jack, HDMI, ARC, USB 2.0, and a DC-in power interface, you can easily connect all your favorite devices. Whether you're streaming a movie, playing games, or giving a presentation, this projector has you covered. Now, let's talk about durability. Xiaomi claims that the Redmi Projector Lite has a lifespan of up to 10 years, thanks to its dust-proof optical engine and robust build. Whether you're a casual user or a home theater enthusiast, this projector is built to last, making it a smart investment for the long term. Priced at just 799 yuan, or around $110, the Redmi Projector Lite Green Edition offers incredible value for money. It's rare to find a projector at this price point that offers such a high resolution, smart features, and durability. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or looking for a portable option, this projector delivers exceptional performance without breaking the bank. So, is the Redmi Projector Lite Green Edition worth your money? Absolutely. With its blend of smart features, impressive display quality, and affordable price, it's a top contender in the budget projector market. Don't miss out on upgrading your viewing experience with this fantastic device. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech content. See you in the next video.